Imagine a world where your every need is predicted and catered to before you even realize it. How much of that world do you think will be shaped by artificial intelligence? Today, AI is not some far-off science fiction fantasy. It's here, and it's transforming our lives in ways we could only dream of a decade ago. Consider the healthcare sector. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. Or transportation. AI is the driving force behind the development of self-driving cars. And let's not forget entertainment, where AI is personalizing our movie and music recommendations, making our downtime more enjoyable. Artificial intelligence is more than a technological advancement. It's a tool with the potential to reshape our world, to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more exciting. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, one must ask, what opportunities does it present for the savvy investor? Is AI the next big thing for investors? Let's delve into this question. The world of artificial intelligence, or AI, has been attracting significant investment in recent years. It's not just a buzzword anymore, but a reality that's reshaping industries and economies across the globe. AI's journey from being a mere concept in sci-fi movies to a transformative technology has been nothing short of spectacular. Its potential to automate processes, enhance productivity, and solve complex problems has caught the eye of investors worldwide. This isn't just about Silicon Valley giants or tech-savvy entrepreneurs, but also traditional investors who are realizing the growth potential AI holds. The numbers tell a compelling story. Billions of dollars are being poured into AI research and development. Industry forecasts suggest that the AI market could expand to several $100 billion in the next few years. That's a staggering amount of growth, offering lucrative opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. But this isn't a gold rush. It's a calculated move based on the impact AI is having and is expected to have. From healthcare and finance to retail and logistics, AI's applications are widespread and growing. It's not just about creating smarter devices or systems, but about fundamentally changing the way we live and work. Investing in AI, then, isn't about betting on a single company or industry. It's about supporting the technology that's likely to drive the future. It's about understanding that AI isn't an isolated field, but one that intersects with other technologies such as big data, robotics, and the Internet of Things. So yes, AI does seem like the next big thing for investors. Its growth potential, coupled with its transformative nature, makes it a compelling investment opportunity. But like any investment, it requires careful consideration and understanding. So while AI certainly seems promising, what are the latest trends that could shape its future? And by extension, your investments? AI is not a static field. It's constantly evolving with new trends emerging all the time. Now let's delve into some of the latest trends that are shaping this dynamic landscape and the investment opportunities they present. First up is machine learning. This is a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Machine learning is everywhere. It's in our smartphones, suggesting the next word we might type. It's in our shopping apps, recommending products based on our browsing history. And it's in our homes, with smart devices adjusting to our habits. As machine learning's potential continues to be unlocked, it's expected to drive significant growth in the AI sector. For investors, this means opportunities in companies that are leading the way in machine learning research and application. Next, we have natural language processing, or NLP. This is the technology used to help computers understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. NLP is the driving force behind our digital assistants, chatbots, and language translation apps. It's also making strides in areas like sentiment analysis, which could revolutionize how businesses understand their customers. As NLP becomes more advanced, it could unlock significant value, offering investment prospects in companies that specialize in this technology. Then we have autonomous vehicles. Now, this is a trend that's been on the horizon for some time, but recent advancements mean it's closer than ever to becoming a reality. Autonomous vehicles are expected to transform industries from transportation to logistics, potentially creating billions of dollars in value. For investors, this presents opportunities in companies that are at the forefront of this exciting trend. But it's not just these trends that investors should be watching. There's also the rise of quantum computing, which could take AI to new heights. And let's not forget about AI ethics, a growing concern that could shape the direction of AI development and regulation. While these trends offer fascinating glimpses into the future of AI, they are not without risks. Machine learning, for example, relies heavily on data, raising issues around privacy and security. autonomous vehicles, while promising, still face major technical and regulatory hurdles. And as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, ethical considerations become even more paramount. But for investors who are willing to navigate these complexities, the rewards could be substantial. The global AI market size was valued at approximately $50 billion in 2021 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of around 42% from 2022 to 2028. So, as we look to the future, it's clear that AI is not just about technology. It's about the potential to transform industries, societies, and our everyday lives. These trends not only shape the future of AI, but also offer exciting investment opportunities. So how can these trends in AI impact your investments? As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to recognize the potential that this technology holds for your investments. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's rapidly changing the way we live, work, and do business. This massive growth in AI has opened up exciting investment opportunities. By investing in AI, you're essentially planting seeds in a field that's forecasted to explode in the coming years. Consider the companies that are at the forefront of these AI trends. These are the companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, shaping the future of industries ranging from healthcare to finance to entertainment. When you invest in these companies, you're investing in the future, and the potential returns could be significant. Take, for instance, companies that are developing AI-driven solutions for healthcare. These solutions are not only improving patient outcomes, but are also streamlining processes, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency. Investing in such companies could yield high returns as the demand for these solutions continues to grow. Similarly, companies that are leveraging AI to transform the financial industry are another exciting investment opportunity. Whether it's using AI to predict market trends or to provide personalized financial advice, these companies are redefining the way we manage our finances. And let's not forget about the entertainment industry. With AI, we're seeing a revolution in the way content is created and consumed. Companies that are leading this revolution could be a great addition to your investment portfolio. Of course, like any investment, there are risks involved. The AI industry is still evolving, and there are regulatory and ethical challenges to consider. But with careful research and strategic planning, investing in AI could offer a substantial return on investment. As we can see, AI has the potential to significantly impact your investment portfolio. By understanding the trends and recognizing the potential, you can make informed decisions that could lead to high returns. And who knows, your investment today could shape the future of AI. So, we've seen how AI is shaping the future and the investment opportunities it presents. The importance of AI in our lives is growing exponentially. From helping us find our way around town to predicting what we might want to watch on a Friday night, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. It's transforming industries, creating new job opportunities, and revolutionizing how we interact with our devices and each other. This rapid growth and profound influence make AI a compelling arena for investment. Looking at the latest trends, we see AI not just as a technological advancement, but as a game changer. The rise of autonomous vehicles, the explosion of AI in healthcare, the integration of AI in finance, and the advent of AI in entertainment are all indicators of a future dominated by this technology. These trends are not just transforming our world, but they're opening up a myriad of investment opportunities. AI's impact on investments is significant. Traditional industries are being disrupted and new ones are emerging. Companies that were once on the fringe are now leading the pack, thanks to AI. Investors who can identify these trends and understand their implications stand to benefit immensely. But investing in AI isn't just about riding the wave of technological innovation. It's about understanding the nuances of the field, the potential ethical issues, and the regulatory landscape. It's about being able to discern hype from genuine potential. In the world of investments, AI is not just another buzzword. It's a seismic shift that's reshaping our economies and societies. And the investors who get in early, who understand the technology and its implications, are the ones who stand to profit the most. As we've seen, AI is not a distant future concept. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming our world. The potential for investment is vast, but so is the need for understanding and discerning judgment. As we move towards an AI-driven future, it's clear that investors who understand these trends stand to gain the most. Keep a keen eye on this space. It's only going to get more exciting. In conclusion, it's clear that AI is not a fleeting trend, but rather a fundamental shift in the way we live, work, and invest. This technology is transforming our societies and economies, providing a wealth of investment opportunities for those who understand its implications. But remember, success in any investment requires understanding and discernment. The world of AI is no different. So, continue to educate yourself, stay abreast of the latest trends, and make informed decisions. As we move forward into an increasingly AI-driven world, the potential for growth and profit is vast. But so is the potential for missteps. So take the time to understand the landscape, identify the opportunities, and make informed decisions. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Now, before we wrap up this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you can be notified when a new video has been uploaded. We'll continue to bring you the latest insights on AI and investments. Stay tuned and remember, the future of AI is now. Let's navigate it together. Thank you for watching.